Hi guys, I'm Anh from Brother. In the previous video, we interviewed Bin Song and Derek, who's working as IT security interns in Nashtech. So there's only one intern left working here, and now we're going to see what he's doing.
My name is Max. I'm studying to be a front-end developer. So what I do is I design a website, I draw it out on paper. After that, I use software like Photoshop or Illustrator to design it out, and then so I know what the website will look like. After that, I code the website out, and then I have a working website after that.
Yes, from planning to designing.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I got it.
I think the main thing is that I've learned how to relax and optimize my workflow. So because back in Singapore, when you finish a task, your supervisor just tell you, good job, here's another one. But then over here in Vietnam, right, they will tell me that I should use the extra time to brush up on my work, make sure it's of a higher quality, there's no errors, you know. So I don't feel as stressed when I finish my work, and I actually have time to go out the local budddies here, compared to Singapore where I just want to go home and sleep. I think the best advice I can give is that you have to always communicate, because I realized that my colleagues and the Vietnamese people in general, they're very open and they value communication a lot. So for example, when I'm doing work in a team, they always encourage me to ask them if I have any questions. So in Singapore, right, during my time, we don't really encourage communication. They will tell you that if you have any issues, you can find me. But if you do that, they will look down on you. They will say that, oh, why am I hiring this person who can't do their job? In Singapore, there will always be a lot of problems, you know, there will be a lot of errors when it comes to the final product.
Yeah.
But then in Vietnam, because everybody is communicating at every stage of the project, so when it comes to the final stage, everything is smooth, everything runs perfectly well.
Yes.
It's like a well-oiled machine, you know. So yeah, the best advice is to really just communicate. Don't be afraid to ask questions.
I prepare a plan for international students come to the Nashtech. For example, based on my experience, I compose a plan to training some domain in the plan to make him become a strong developer, developer in the future. For example, the basic skill, how to convert a PhD to HTML, CSS, or building a simple application by using the modern framework Angular or React. Requires hardworking and he knows how to listening to other people. I see that he trains monthly. For example, when he comes to the Nashtech, I saw that sometimes he quite confused when I assigned to him, and after a few months training, he could perform the task quite well, meet my expectation. And I think that's with the open mind, open discussion, he could be adapt with the new context.
Okay, so thank you so much, Max, for doing this interview. So thank you and bye!